take all the guesswork out of gnocchi. So we're going to take all-purpose flour, eggs that have been beaten. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to make a mess. By the way, I've had shoulder surgery. I've got shoulder surgery, so you have to put up with me. Ricotta.
You look like a superhero, so I'm shocked that you had to have shoulder surgery. Are you okay?
Yeah, I had 3 tendons moved out of my right shoulder, 6 pills. Some cheese. Can you? Because I can't serve that. You know, the fun part about this is it's not difficult. You can make this in advance. You can put it in your refrigerator, come home at night. You know, Johnny's swim practice, Melissa's dance practice, it's all finished. It's over, right? and it's simple. So when you get it, mix it all together. And when you get it to a bowl, cut it into 4 pieces. Really simple.
You want, Chef, you want a little nutmeg in here?
That's why
a bit of nutmeg.
Rachel Ray. Nutmeg.
Anything with ricotta, anything with dairy, or anything with dark greens is very traditional in Italian cooking to add nutmeg to it.
See, you do that much better than me.
Well, I've got 2 arms right now that work, so don't take it personally.
That's why I feel like an imposter right now, like this. All right.
So you cut it into 4.
Cut it into 4.
Yeah.
Get it nice. Roll it into fingers like you have over there, or lengths.
Right, I gotcha. So here's your balls, right? Then, oh, jeez. I love saying balls. It's so fun. Okay, so then you roll it into length.
Little semolina.
A little semolina.
Onto the board. Roll it out, and then with your trusty cutter there.
Scrape. Yep.
Make little gnocchis. Now, the cool thing with this is make sure you put them back in the refrigerator to set up a little bit. Yeah,
if you chill them out, then you can throw them in the hot tub and they'll stay together. They'll firm up better for you if you chill them a little bit, right?
Exactly. All right, while you're doing that, I'm going to start. We've got pancetta that's been rendered down here.
Beautiful.
In the pan, so it's nice and golden brown. The fats come out. We've got pork and beef. Boop. Some onions and carrots that have been ground down together.
Yum.
And then I'm going to go a left-handed mix.
That's a beautiful beginning you've got there, baby.
And what we want to do is get this nice and golden brown. All the sugar to come out of it. I'm rushing right now, so I'm going to take red wine.
Which they should have given us glasses for.
Rachel's own brand not.
Hint!
Yeah, what's up with that? Some chicken stock. Whoop. Oh.
Or cream.
Or cream, it doesn't matter. Where did that come from?
Milk or some sort of dairy
It doesn't
product.
matter. This is impossible, so I can fix it.
That's right. That's right.
Pomodoro sauce.
Chef, you want me to drop these?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Now, these are ones that have been rested.
These are the ones that have been resting. It's like they're at a spa. They took a long rest, and now they're going into the hot tub.
All right,
we're always like this together. We're a bunch of goofballs.
Listen, I cry when I come here. Literally. So beef stock, sorry, not chicken stock, and the cream, it just, adds a little flavor, whatever. It's up to you.
And cook it all out together.
Cook it up together. It takes a couple of hours to simmer, and what we're left with
is that glorious.
Is this glorious mix that is very aromatic, very tasty. You can see the gnocchi is already coming to rise.
That's how we know the gnocchi is done. It comes up to the top and says, "Hi, what's up?" Yeah. You want me to transfer these over, please, Robert? Okay, darling. Look how fast that cooked up, by the way. Gorgeous. A mountain of gnocchi.